Hello guys and welcome to Lillybilly Toys. Today we are going to show you an experiment. We have the amazing capsule creatures. These are farm animal creatures. We have the red one, the yellow one, the blue and the green. We have the farm animals, the rabbit, the goose, the rooster, the horse, the bull, the goat, the cow, the pig, the duck, the donkey, the turkey and the sheep. We are going to put these capsules in a glass full of hot water and leave them for a few minutes. They will turn gradually to an animal, as you can see in the picture. The capsule, you put it in the water and leave it for a few minutes. It will grow gradually until it became an animal. But first, before we do this experiment, we have a warning. It says that not for children under 3 years old, and don't swallow. And also it should be with the supervision of your parents, because we are going to use warm or hot water. And now let's start together. Now we have the 4 cups of water. Let's start. Get the capsules, put them in the water. As you can see. One, two, three, and 4. Let's see what these capsules are going to be. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and whisk. And now we are going to wait from 2 to 3 minutes. We're waiting. Wow, the green and the blue one starting to grow. I wonder what this animal is going to be. Well, I think this is a rabbit or a duck. I don't know. No, the yellow is not yet. And the red is starting also. Wow, wonderful. I can see the blue one is starting to grow. Wow, I wonder what is this animal. Wow, the green one. It's a duck. It's a duck. Quack, quack. Wow. I love it. Wow, it's wonderful. Blue one. Let's see. Put it in the water. Come on. Not yet. Let's watch. The red one is starting to grow. And the blue one, I think it's a rabbit. I see its ears. I wonder what is this one. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Let's see the red animal. I wonder what is this. Let's see in the paper. It's Rooster. Wow. It's Rooster. Cuckoo, cuckoo. I love it. Let's see the blue one. Wow, what is this? Wow, it's a goat. Can you see? It's a goat. Wow. Let's see it on the paper. The goat here. Okay. Finally, the yellow one. I wonder what is this? Not yet. I'm gonna whisk a little. I think it's a horse. I don't know. Come on. Want to see you. Wow, now we have the Rooster. I think it's turkey or rooster. I don't know. No, I think it's turkey. Can you see? Which do you prefer? I think it's a turkey. Yeah. Okay. And now we have the duck and the goat. Okay. I think the yellow one is beginning to appear. What is this? Is it a whale? I think it's a whale. Wow, it's a whale. Wow, perfect. It's not a farm animal. It's an undersea animal. It's a whale. I love whales. Yellow whale. Wonderful. Now, as you can see, we have our 4 wonderful creatures. Thank you for watching Lilly Billy Toys. If you like my channel, please subscribe.